Hello and welcome. You're watching MBC Television. This is Mona Lisa Rambai, bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Attempt of cattle smuggling on international border fails. Team to showcase the exquisite work of tribal artisans. State government moves Cherry Blossom Festival to Ribhoi district due to traffic concerns. And Saulat FC and Maukara emerges victorious in the knockout football tournament in Kinrut. Another news in detail. BSF Meghalaya frontier in Shillong successfully thwarted a cattle smuggling attempt on the international border with Bangladesh, rescuing 56 cattle in the last 48 hours. The vigilant troops of 172 Battalion BSF intercepted a vehicle near Sonapur Bridge in East Jantia Hills, seizing 35 cattle crammed inside. Despite the driver's escape, the BSF handed over the seized cattle and the vehicle to the Umkyang police post for further legal procedures. Additionally, the BSF successfully seized 21 cattle concealed in a jungle area near the international border. On October 13th, the Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India under the dbmnTv department in Maukarwat partnered with the Office of the Deputy Commissioner of Southwest Khasi Hills District to host a captivating tribal artisan empanelment Mela exhibition at the hall of the DC Maukarwat office. The event saw notable attendees including Tilingwa, the Deputy Commissioner of Southwest Khasi Hills District, Najendra Nath Jha, Manager at Trifed, New Delhi, and Pamthing Kehing, Deputy Manager at Trifed under the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India. Other distinguished guests comprised officers from various government departments and the DPMU department, alongside multiple self-help groups representing the Maukarwat region. The exhibition aimed to showcase the exquisite work of tribal artisans, providing them with a platform to exhibit their craftsmanship and traditional artistry.
online shopping ki Amazon ki Flipkart ada kemudian ke simply ki kira kami kambur kira kira ki kalau ini punya register ki bat itu ki online market dan ki brio kena order ki kira ki na kalian sudah tertarik yang ini kira ki biasa bat kira ki kami nomor kini kira ki baru isna hari जगह लोग ट्राइबल में ये क्या के पका के बजनाय बंगन के लोग बजन या के थोड़िया ने के चना तोती ने के प्रवर है वे कपड़े कोई का जुमा ये क्या के जितनी हकला के नाम के चर जो का थे लिंगा जो कि चिंतरेक्टी तो ini jenis rumitan dan bawa kipi dan belasam, oke ini pikir, but lima kali exhibition kan pun tahunnya, kan exhibition kan bandra itu sebuah bandra di nomona, bagi wilayah pura hanya sini, syas dua berlagi bandra juga percaya bagi native, halnya Southwest Khasi jadi dan beliau mana
The Minister of Tourism Paul Lyngdoh announced a significant change in the upcoming Cherry Blossom Festival 2023. Due to concerns over traffic disruption and the already congested state of Shillong, the state government has decided to shift the festival's location to the RBDSA Sports Complex at Kurkalang Ground in Boirumbong, Ribhoi district. Scheduled to take place from the 17th to the 19th of November, the festival promises a spectacular lineup of international and local musicians. Among the headliners are popular names such as Neo, Ryan Keating, Sanam, Jonas Blue and Pink Panda. Additionally, over 50 musicians from Meghalaya will also be showcasing their talents during the event. With this move, the state government aims to ensure a seamless festival experience for both locals and tourists, while alleviating the potential traffic challenges that could have arisen in Shillong.
Good evening, friends. We're here to announce the launch of our season 3 of the Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival, which is the most vibrant and the most known tourism festival in the state of Meghalaya. Now this event is taking place on 3 days, starting from the 17th till the 19th of November 2023, and the venue will be at the Madan Kurkalang RBDSA Sports Complex at Ribhoi district, Boirumbong. So I'm joined by our director in the Department of Tourism, Mr. C.B. Dengdok, and also our event management, Mr. Jason is here. Briefly, for this year's Cherry Blossom, the government of Meghalaya is investing a sum of 1.99 crore out of the total investment of 9 crore rupees. We are expecting huge benefits for the tourism industry in the state through this festival. There will be a footfall of about 30,000 visitors per day, which means that by the end of the event, we would have had roughly about 1 lakh visitors. 90% of these visitors are expected to be tourists from outside, both domestic as well as international travelers. And some of the tangible benefits of the festival include the involvement of a huge number of local artists and performers. They will be sharing the platform with well-known and established international acts. These include Jonas Blue, Neo, Ronan Keating, Hybrid Theory, and a lot of other international acts. Some of these acts are also well-known Grammy winners like Neo, who is also a singer-songwriter, and Ronan Keating, as all of you must be knowing, is a well-known international artist. And our local bands and solo performers will be sharing and rubbing shoulders with the best in the world. And prior to the launch of the festival here in the state, we have had 2 road shows, one at Thailand, Bangkok, sponsored by an international magazine, Partyverse, and one held at Delhi. Out of these interactions, the state has also gained, for instance, some of our DJs, like DJ Fabian and Zethan, have been invited to be part of the New Year's celebrations at Bangkok this year. So, briefly, that is the information we would like to share with you. And If there are any further clarifications or points or questions or queries that you have, you can take your time now.
The knockout football tournament in Kundrut, hosted by the Nong Sokma Sports and Cultural Club, concluded on the 14th of October with an exhilarating finals showdown. The event, graced by the esteemed presence of Kinshi Maurya's chief, Paul Soklet, drew in an enthusiastic crowd of both participants and spectators. In the revealing clash for the 8,000 rupee award, the Saulat FC and Nong Sokma Pdengchnong teams battled fiercely, resulting in a draw. However, in the decisive tie-breaker shootout, Saulat FC emerged triumphant with a 3-1 goal victory over Kundrut Pdengchnong. Meanwhile, in the high-stakes match for the 12,000 rupee prize, Maukara faced off against the determined young boy Kundrut team. Displaying exceptional skill and determination, Maukara clinched the title, outplaying young boy Kundrut with a resounding 2-0 scoreline.
Kamtam ya ka South League team ke berapa final mata kesini kamau para Kundrut hidup team ke bila nak tukar tournament ke Hamret. Congratulate ya ka mau para ke belayo ya ka nab champion. Banda do kesini pengon play ke tournament nanti sejob ke mau para. Mau para ke team ke badan ka Super Division juga PDSA hang tai po mairan. Isokmen bahkan ke tournament ke layak baik ke layak nanti. Nadu ke pasdang jangka hadu ke bekut. Hakim pun kita nama demi Shillong kendong dan ke pasdang ban penkut final kimla. Kila se kibun kidau ke bolong komta dan ki ba omyo sponsor ban ai ka bai team nani komta teter dan du ki bami ki jinga kelumar teng ke tournament ki penkut no. Tenga sukman ai play ki samla jo ne ke Shillong rengkap du ba ki kinong yalam Shillong. Bat baru ki pai ba ki bless no filang ba ki samla. Man pelong yang kini ke tournament ke biaya baik ke biaya renti. Tengah ngai anda syakmat bro, kena board di tournament ke bakum kini. Bakum mengalakran atau si ke pasdang. Alakran bro yang kini apa like saya apa bangalai pan play ya ke tournament ti apa like saya. Abah kimaran nang kendong jongi ke bakum kini, ki jumi kini ngilakai. Ibadah kajing trash tom ke jongki, kajing long disiplin. Bat kamtam dah kajing kongo ya kini penyat. Kikiu syaki bentar ki bakam sejrong. Ki babun ki players ki bami khmat ya ke state ke jongi la kalong ka Santosh Trophy le ni ki tournament. Ki dei ki bami ki kinong kendong. Ngiang kan mau yo tu semla napo benther mo ba samelendo kan si. Umi nang tai napo benther. Da ka jing trash tom ke jongu da ka jing long discipline yo penyelakai na ke India for Asian Games. Tilara ki samla napo benther ki la bami khmat ya ke India. Balik ki sama nak than jungi na po Kundrut na po Maukara na po nongkram bakum ta ter kimla ban poi chuju ka thom nidan ka ju ka sap ka boble ul ai ni nidan ki maran football ki babyang khamtam ni ki khasi nidan ki longjak beli ka ba i ba ya ka football da pilek chan nu chan nong kendong kibri kita baik ke jala ka football. Kita baik ke Premier League, kita baik ke La Liga bakam ter. Tengangek bakan dia kajing long interest jungi ya kajing lakai football hakin long kandong jungi kan say ya ki klur ya ki player ki mikmat tentang ya kestir ke jungi rekan kin mikmat du ya kan national team kabadan kam kalong tangga taka disiplin ka bangi de bandon kajing trash tom ka bangin kyar naki jingdi ki basniyo bakam ter. Tengangek dakan di tournament ka baki samlan ni ki penlong ru kin mi kin lakai ki betebet Nimlay bandon kando kata kajing snow bangi day kinong kandong mo. Abaki ang tenfereng kata ka inferiority complex kata kajing snow nong kandong. Ani ben wan nong sa nila ba ni tel illusion mo. Ngijoton kata kajing snow jagi kinong kandong. Kay nimlay bandon kata kajing snow kay kasap ka bangi don yen pedi kata kasap ka bangi don. Kay kata kajing trash tom jagi yen pedi kata kajing trash tom. Kenang ba na kinong kandong jagi na kita naman ki bakum kini ki penyelak kai baik tan ki players na ki Shillong ki jagi. Nila ban say ya teki klon ni la ka jungi nga juang ki babun ki prarang ba ngam jusno tenat bangan lai ki tournament ki ba penuh kinong kendong jungi ndai ki tipat ki wan auno kai le kendrut ki players ba bun ki bele antai po first division katu ka khanglat no ki samna na ki Shillong kita gu jungi bakin pedi ki sap ka baki kidan ngam da support ba ki tournament ki bakum kitu ki he tanga prize le ki players ba ki wan shaba lege ki tournament ki bakum kini ki ba penmi de ki kena na po Shillong.
The KSU East Jante Hills District Unit, via the Education Cell, held a crucial meeting on October 13th with the Director of DSEL and DERT, Shri Swapnil Tembe, IAS, and Srimati R.S. Manor, highlighting the absence of science teachers at Rambai Government Secondary School. Upon an inspection confirming the deficiency, the union pressed for the school's elevation to a high secondary school, a request to which the director promised his support. Furthermore, the malfunctioning of the residential school at the Block Teachers Training Institute, which have been inactive for 8 years, drew the union's attention. Advocating for their revitalization, the union appealed to the director to engage with the MDA2 government to ensure their functional restoration, emphasizing the benefits for the region's students. Acknowledging the funding challenges faced by the department overseeing the residential school and the Block Institute of Teachers Education, Peit, the union implored the director to expedite efforts, particularly in securing central funds for their enhancement. Expressing gratitude for the union's vigilance, the director of DSEL conveyed his commitment to delve into these issues, recognizing their potential impact on the district's educational landscape and the future of its young learners. The exhibition cum outreach program on Swachh Bharat and Poshan Abhiyan concluded in Shillong on 13th October. Organized by the Central Bureau of Central Communication, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, the event aimed to educate children on the importance of cleanliness and consuming nutritious food. Running from the 11th to the 13th, the program featured an inter-school quiz competition and an exhibition at Alpha English High Secondary School, Nongpo. Notable attendees included Meril Bons EM, MLA Nongpo Constituency, and W.K. Bla, the principal of Alpha English High Secondary School. As a token of encouragement, the Central Bureau of Communication rewarded the victorious students across various competitions.
You have to build the trust others also. The others, they will trust you. What you will do, that others will trust you. That is very important. Because we are here in this beautiful institution, be it St. Paul, be it Alpha, be it Auxilium, or be it other school that have been participated in this program, we already built our foundation in our school. Now, the very important part from now on is that how you will build your friendship, how you will build society, how you will be part to build a good human being. That is very, very important. Your parents, they have spent, they have backup for you, they have doing so much for all of you. So we have to pay back to your parents, to your teachers, with what they expect from you. Education is important. We are all here in school, in colleges, to get education. To educate oneself. To educate, after some time, you have to appear for your exam also. It is very important that you have to secure good marks. That is not all. A part of securing good marks, you have to build yourself as a good human being. How you behave with your teachers, how you behave with your parents, how you behave with your friends, in a circle of friends, in school, in community, it is very important. So dear student, this kind of program, interaction, where I'm not wrong to say that all of you are here together from different school, coming from different background, different community, different language we speak, but still we are one. We are here together. We are here together as one. To be part of this beautiful program in different activities that has been organized. The trophy that you have received, it is symbolic. It is a symbol that you have won. But very important is that within your heart, how you will build your career, how you will build your individuality. That is very important. What it is there out of this trophy. Trophy you can keep at home as a symbolic certificate you will keep. It will remind you 20, 30 years later. You will remember, okay, on that year I have won this. But important issue is that from now on, try to build your career, try to build in the society you are living, how you will treat, how you will behave with others. It is very important, especially in this generation that we are living, which is full of activities that will carry away our mind. It is important that we have to remember. We belong to a country where we can follow any religion. It is a secular country. Be it a Christian, be it a Hindu, be it a Muslim, be it a Buddhist, Sikh, all religion, we respect each other.
In the ongoing Super Division League Football Tournament 2023, the Lom Soklor team emerged victorious over the Binther team in a captivating match at Dom Malom Ground, Pindeng Umyong Mairang. Demonstrating their prowess, the Lom Soklor team secured a commendable 4-1 win, leaving the Binther team unable to match their goal-scoring finis. The game not only stirred intense excitement along the spectators, but also highlighted the strength and spirit of the Eastern West Khasi Hills district community. A growing outcry has emerged from the Chokpot Kakija area due to the deplorable state of the local roads. With the already dilapidated condition of the roads, residents and commuters, including school students, are enduring significant hardships. A widely circulated video on social media captured school children struggling to move a vehicle on the gravely damaged road on their way to school. Distressed by the recurring challenges, local inhabitants expressed frustration at the lack of timely repairs, citing that not only the main road but also pathways leading to popular tourist destinations like Dombe Wari, Imil Sang Fall, Wari Chora, Renang Fall, Isim Fall and Redingsni Fall remain in an equally dilapidated state, negatively impacting the area's tourism prospects.
Raman Amson Zorok, Bisharang School, Bisharang Gamagan, Antang Tangsa, Garikon Stuinga, Dr. Kostunga, Kapija area ni Manderangna. Ya Ramani Obosta Konibo. Bisharang Antang Tangan Gari Kost do Esa Ingamo. Ramani Obostan Dong Jazok, ya.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.